someone blew up a nuke out there and we were here,
we would be good.
So this is what we call the welcome wall. This is going into the compound now.
does that say Space Force?
It does. You have Space Force here.
These are the 4 commands that operate outside of this bunker.
And to ensure the complete safety for these elite world leaders, this bunker is also designed to survive something far less predictable than any enemy threat, Mother Nature. And it does so by literally floating.
They carved out a gap between the mountain and the bunker and then put the bunker on springs.
So the shockwave of a nuclear attack or even an earthquake is completely absorbed.
Welcome to the most secure bunker on the planet.